learn how to do some, what does LLDB stand for? Debugger. What is this? What is the LL part of it? It seems like it should be an acronym, obviously for LLVM, right? Obviously for LLVM, modular features, but it's powerful. Oh, low level debugger. Okay. Got to learn some LLDB here. We got it. Yash, how's it going, Yash? How's it? Hey, what are we doing? We're going to learn some LLDB today. Some LLDB, some low level debugger. We've got, in the previous stream, we have set up here we've got LLDB running. And then we've got, our Makefile, we're essentially assembly. So we've got some assembly, and it's a really simple program, very simple. So you can see here over here on the side, this is the entire program right here. That's the entire program right there on the side of there. Right, we've got running LLDB. You put that on your application, your binary, and then you can extract information from it. It's really cool. Yash, I read somewhere in the compiler design, it's in the LLVM world, low level virtual something. But we're learning, we're in the adventure of learning assembly language, in the adventure of learning assembly. So you can see here in the adventure, learning some assembly right here. We want to be able to debug it, because what if we make some mistakes or something goes wrong? So we've got started learning here, but we want to do some LLDB. We want to do some LLDB. So we're gonna walk through some of these commands here and see what it's like and see what we're looking at. So GDB versus LLDB, right? Because I'm used to GDB, but LLDB has things that are just a little bit different. So we're gonna try these things out here. All right, so I have our LLDB over here. Which language is this? C++. This is what language is this? This is not C++. This is going to be assembly. And assembly has different architectures, right, that you can target. And this will just be ARM architecture. Look, right here, this is going to set W0 equal to 2, basically. That's it. That's what it's going to do. But there's plenty of time. 30 minutes, we can achieve a lot. You can achieve a lot in 30 minutes, you guys. All right, so we built that. Here we go. And then I want to LLDB and then run, what was it? Actually, let's rebuild it. Let's do make clean, just double check and make. There we go. And then the program was called this right here. Then we say LLDB and we program, boom. There we go. So we've loaded it up. We loaded it up, guys. LLDB. So we can set up a breakpoint. Breakpoint set-in foo. Interesting. Actually, I'm really curious. I want to try this. So let's try this. Breakpoint set-in, but not foo. Oh, there's a shorthand. BRSN. Here we go. Let's do that. Let's try this. Let's go to 0. All right. Breakpoint. Let's paste that in. Let's actually okay, here we go. There we go. Oh, no, just once. There we go. BR-N, and then we'll go unsure start. Let's see if that works. Unable to resolve breakpoint at any actual locations. Why? Okay, so let's see what else we want. Maybe there's some other things. Regus list delete, BR list. Oh, let's do BR list. It's probably BR list. What is this? We've got one. Oh, wait, unable to resolve breakpoint, but there's a breakpoint right here. Why does it do that? What? Hold on 1 second. Name start locations. Oh, pending. Okay, so we tried to do it, but it didn't do it. Okay, let's try to do BR-S-N0x04. Is that unable? Let's do BR list. There we go. Okay, so we're trying to set these breakpoints, but guess what? They are not attaching. We're going back over here. We're gonna go back over here now. We're gonna go back to the terminal window. All right. LLDB target create. Okay, looking good. Run, so we can run it. Oh, I probably should just run. Let's see. Run. We run. Ooh, there we go. Check it out. Things are happening, you guys. Oh, look it out. We did it. The breakpoint. There it is. Okay. Print. Here we go. All right, 10 minutes to mess around with our LLDB. Okay, so I want to print. Can we do print W0? I want to see W0. Can we do that? Nope. Print money W0. Thank you for the likes. Look, you guys, look. Oh, check it out. You don't know how cool this is right here. Look at this. It says 3 right here. Look at, we did it. That was the thing we were trying to do in the last stream, but guess what? We were using move in versus move, which is a different, because we just did some math and the computer registered W0. We set the value to 1, or we set the value to 2, right? So W0 equals 2. And then we added it itself to 1. We mutated it. And so now the value should be 3. And then we printed out W0 and it was 3. Isn't that cool? Oh, and the previous stream. So here's the previous stream. We were doing move in, but we found a bug. We found a bug, you guys. Look, this is a bug. The repository used move in versus move. That caused an issue. It caused an issue. All right.